good? It's your boy Spaced Out Show. Make sure I go like, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications to me, man. So I get all the latest drops that I'm be dropping. I'm back with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm turning up with it. It's all 2025. We going up, man. All number meets a whole lot of everything, and I know who that is too. That's good that he popped out. But yeah, a whole lot of meets, a lot of everything, man. So y'all gonna want to turn on that post notifications, man, for real. You know what I'm saying? Cause we going up, man. We going up this year. We going all the way up. Nothing but meets, nothing but turned up, all that. I'm back on it. You know what I'm saying? I'm back on it. Yes, sir. But make sure y'all go subscribe, like, and comment under the video, and turn on all post notifications. That's hard. And yeah, Spaced Out Show. I'm gonna cut y'all on when I get out there. Go. He came back earlier. This motherfucker hard too. Yeah, that motherfucker nice. You got the Buick coming through. Yes, sir. Finally got here to the front or the back, one or the other. I like that. Yeah, that one's nice. Yes, sir. That's just another one like this over there, but it's blue. If you've seen it in the beginning of the video. Ooh, I like that. I like that one too.
Oh yeah, bigger.
Damn, they got them over there. Ooh, that GTR, I like that GTR. This is different. I like that. That's fire. I think I've seen this one before in the video. Ooh. Fire, fire, fire. Ooh. Got the scat shaking. Ooh, gotta try not to get hit out here. Ooh, then we got that one right there. That's fire. No, you good. And I believe we've seen that one before, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. So we got all this, you know what? Yeah, we gonna walk. Actually, I seen him. I think who ride this bike, I think I seen him probably, I think twice. If it wasn't the same person, once. But for sure, ooh, that's nice. That's hard. I like that. I like this. This is creative. I know y'all probably can't hear me because I ain't got my headphones in, so yeah. If y'all can hear me, that's good. Ooh, I like this. The orange though. I like that. I like that. I like that color right there. I don't know why. It just popped to me for some reason. These niggas a bunch of jabronis. Everything you got, they want it. That's why I'm stuck from Stony. Just told my nigga break fast like shoulders. Then I got my. I don't know what this is, but I like it. I know what it is, but I don't know that like that whole compartment right there. But I like it. I like it a lot. Got another 5-0. We got another one. Here we have another one. Ooh, I like that one. We got another one. Oh, this one whines. This one fucking whines. For sure, dude. Another 5-0, 5-0. Ooh, dark horse looks like maybe. Another clean 5-0. We have another nice 5-0. No, Mark 1, my bad. I take that back, Mark 1. Yes, sir. We have another clean one. Then we come back here, back to the Mustang. The transition be crazy. Ooh. Something looks different here. And y'all tell me what it is. He got the same thing. Wait, do they come like that? I think they do. I believe they do. That's the second one that came like that. I like his banner. I definitely like his banner. Oh, we got some more over here. Didn't even see these. My bad, y'all. That was my alarm. That actually probably would look good on the road. I believe it would, yeah. Ooh, ooh-wee.
Is it really?
If you know, you know. This motherfucker is loud. I like. See, we got all of these. Oh, that's unique. That's actually hard. That's actually that's fire to me. Yeah. Yeah, say. Oh, he's pretty. She's pretty. My dog would have went crazy. Ooh, the scatty scat. Got the beamers, some beamers over there. Ooh. I like that color right there. That color's pretty fire. Got the RT Rango, the Scat Pack, FA Green. Just dope. I fuck with that. And we got the Hellcat. Ooh, I like that. I like that. I like that. And I don't. Red Eye, maybe? Depends, not sure. Before I pass it, that bitch is hard. I like that. Oh shit. Yeah, that's okay. We got the clappers. My boy Bomb, man.
Good kush, burn a nigga in the kitchen, good cooking, and I know I might be ugly, but my car is good looking. A star, so I shine like South Mississippi. I'm showing Mississippi, so I love to sit with 50 bands. The gambling ass out from Birmingham, shot your bird off at the grand, then I shoot up by the hand. Until the feds get me, niggas spend your bread with me. You bring the boy.
Got the bikes over there. Shot top vent. Scat Pack. You got another vet. I forgot. I'm not good with my Marlboro and my vets. Ooh, this looks clean.
Put it in their face. It's gotta come outside.
Ooh, we got that one. That's actually fun. I think I seen this one come in. Yeah, I think I seen that one come in. We got a bunch of music out here. A lot of music. Shout out to Latino hitters too. Ooh, I like the smoked out headlights. I like that joint. I like that joint a lot. Yeah, that joint nice too. Yeah. Ooh. I like that. That's nice. I like that. Ooh, same one. Almost. We got the 5-0 right here. Hey, this joint, oh, he can see, y'all don't see that, but yeah. Ooh. Make sure I go give him a follow, man. This joint hard though. Yeah, this joint hard. The red eye. I gotta get this one over there though. That is ZL1, I think SS that is. Yeah, I think it's an SS. Ooh. The red seats. I don't know about the clapping, so I'm gonna leave that up to my boys Vaughn. They come to tow somebody's shit, man. Fire. Y'all didn't see it, but the lights flashed. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. That contraption is wild. That's crazy. Wonder what this is. It's either Scat Pack or RT. It's one of them. I believe it's RT. This is the back part of the other one. And you got those. Damn, I gotta do that line too. That sounded crazy. My boy. If this my homeboy, I know Carter is. He got a crazy setup too. He got a crazy setup. Ooh, the older model. This is clean though. I want to put a stripe on mine, but I ain't sure. I ain't sure yet. They over there going crazy on the bikes. Clean Honda. Very clean Honda. At the Beamers. So it's going to be a whole lot of muted segments. Oh, that's homie. That was I know who that is. Not know personally, but I seen him before somewhere. Ooh, you just got that motherfucker, huh? Okay. Yeah, I like that motherfucker though right there. It's Scat. Ooh, Audi. I like that. Got the Beamer. Alfa Romeo. Definitely gotta get a picture of that. For sure. For sure.
Bro, look how small their drone is compared to their drone. That's crazy. It's like a motorbike to a freight liner, dog.
got the Jeep. Probably the SRT, I want to say. I've seen this before. It's been a while though, but I've seen that one before. Ooh, we got another one. I'm having a whole lot of pictures this weekend. I have a whole lot of pictures. We got a familiar face right there. Ooh, the Porsche. Yeah, I gotta come back. Got the Stang. These. Yeah, I remember this one. This is one of my first couple videos. That's crazy. It's the other Alfa Romeo. That shit hard. Okay. I think I know who. Nah, not this one. Then we got the Mero. Ooh, his headlights are fire. Good for a picture. Appreciate that. That's good for a picture. Yes, sir. Real truck. I ain't even gonna lie. That paint crazy though. I feel like I seen his YouTube though. I definitely feel like I seen his YouTube. Then we got the Audi. Like a BRZ. Ooh. Definitely got to get a picture of this Beamer right here. I like that. I like his headlights. His headlights fire. Ooh, the Subi. Okay. They both 20. Okay. Got the Honda. Don't know what that car is, and I'm not gonna lie to you. The new Z, the old Z, the BRZ. Oh, what's that? That's a food on a trip. This is clean. I think I caught a picture of that. That's.
No. He wasn't. They were saying that he's.
Had to get a couple of that. Definitely got to get this vet though. Yes, sir. Another Z. I don't remember where I parked on that. Okay. Yeah. I like that. Left hand drove too. Ooh, I see a 14 over there.
Hey Donovan, does this look familiar?
I see a lot of people with the bikes are going over there. And we got the trucks. We got some more bikes right there. We got all these trucks. I see now. Okay. That bike's hard. Damn, my leg's gonna be tired as hell. I did not see that hard. I ain't gonna lie, this motherfucker lit. This motherfucker lit. Oh, that's hard. It's one of the hardest ones I've seen. One of the hardest ones I've seen for sure. I like that one too. I think that's an RT. I think it is, if I'm not mistaken. Here's a bunch of bikes. Oh man, well, I can't wait till I get mine. There's nothing but bikes on this side. This is Bike Central. It's nothing but bikes. Nothing. Ooh, the old school in effect. Nothing but bikes. But alright, let's do it. Got these three. I like that. I think this one was Snap, Crackle, and Poppin'. I think we seen this one too, this Beamer before. Back to the trucks. Got a bike. The British. I said down the unmarked park right here, that's wild. That's crazy. And that shit tough. Yeah, that's on tough. Then he got the squatted truck. That's different. I don't know, but picture's gonna be crazy. Got the white one. Hey, I did the same damn thing with mine. That's crazy. Same thing. Got some more bikes. I'm gonna ping pong this one. Got them over there. The Honda Beat. Then we got these over here. With the Marrow. Then we got these over there again still. I do want to get these though. So, ooh, okay.
We found that out earlier.
Oh, it's really sad.
Oh, now you walk up.
Female. Yeah, you got that motherfucker right there. That purple hard. That's legit. Said gang coming in, fucking me. My bad. the Hellcat Daytona, okay. Stop playing with it. Big boy, not the little one. Now this one right here, I fuck with this one. I like how you got the white with the black. Yeah, that motherfucker there. I wish he had the black top too. Ooh wee. Should've did that. What?
Yeah, man. This guy's car is crazy loud.
Appreciate that.
This guy's car is crazy loud. If he revs it though, we might all be cooked up.
That shit's still lined up all the way down there. Yes, sir. 2,000 horsepower GTR. Look at these. see him in there.
Rev that hoe. Rev that hoe. There's none of them are over here. He turned his wheel. I don't know if y'all saw that shit, but he said, yo, bikers are a different breed. But if you didn't have the car, you'd be fucked. Right. You won't do it again. notifications, there's no shot. There's no way he's getting fucking airdrop. There's no way he's getting any of them. No, there's no way he's committing a felony. Not a single. All I'm hearing is, all they...
Alright, so make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment on the Spaced Out Show. Go hit the post notifications so you get all my recent drops and uploads, man. Until next meet, we gone.